Right guys, in at Paint Tech, as you can see we're down at the Academy. We've just been running a course. We've been using the MAXVAC. As you can tell, this gets a lot of wear and tear because we run it pretty much all the time. We're running courses. It's a game changer. I've explained why, but let's talk about filters. The red light's on, so we're at a point now where we've got to change the filters. So the first filter that we do is this one. I mean, look, it's got a load in there. All we would do for a period of time is just keep hoovering them. We keep these ourselves, okay, because we also use this as like an extractor for when we're actually doing on-site spraying with a portable spray booth. So we use the older ones to capture that first level of paint. So we don't necessarily throw them, we just repurpose them, what can I say. Obviously this one we take out and we give this a good hoover with a brush on it, okay. That's getting to a point now, as you can see, it's getting a little bit worn. I've hoovered that a few times and the red light's still on. This bad boy, we've just ordered a new one of these as well. As you can see, it is really starting to hold back the dust. As I pull that one out, okay, that's obviously clean on the back there and it's clean on the inside. So that one's going to stay for now. We've just had some new ones delivered, so I'm going to put that one in. Obviously we've got a pack of, I think there's, what's this, pack of 6 I think they are. So again, a new one of those. On we go. It's very straightforward. We will keep these because like I said, if we're on site spraying paint to start with, we don't mind obviously using older ones for that initial, I don't know, half an hour's worth of spraying paint. We take those out, we put the cleaner ones back in for when we're actually working in the rest of the kitchen. Let's turn this bad boy on. Okay, cool. No red light, happy days. Guys, freaking love this machine. Catch you later.